right, practice problem 4, let's annotate. We have triangle ABC. It was rotated 180 degrees. Here are the coordinates. I'm going to record it down here. -3, 3, -6, 3, and -3, 5. I need to plot that, so let me go ahead and do that now. So -3, 3, -6, 3, and -3, 5. So it's a pretty small triangle. It's a right triangle. Okay, that's where it starts. Now I need to rotate it 180 degrees. Yeah, it's just plot ABC and the image, so I have to also plot where it ends up. Let me switch colors to purple. Everything becomes its opposite, so the first one will be positive, the second one will be negative. X is positive, Y is negative. X is positive, Y is negative. So this should be in quadrant 4. Oops, I forgot. And the reason I do this every time is just because you want to have good practice. If you practice the right way, then you'll play the right way, right? So this is your practice. Your exit ticket is when you're actually doing it on your own. And if you have good habits, you're less likely to make mistakes. So you might feel like, but I know it, I don't need to do it. Whenever you're taking an assessment or a quiz, you always want to be 100% sure that you did everything you could to make sure you didn't make a mistake. So that's why I practice doing that every time. Now I have 3, -3. For A prime, I have 6, -3. And 6, -5. And here we go. Should be facing the opposite direction now. And it is. Done with this one.